Hi viewers, welcome again my YouTube channel Beauty is Joy Forever. In this video you can see all the unique designs about Brazilian hairstyles. So guys, step into the world of Brazilian beauty as we embark on a mesmerizing journey through the enchanting realm of the Brazilian hairstyles. In this video, you will delve deep into the fascinating tapestry of the culture, history, and traditions that has shaped the iconic hairdos of the Brazils. So guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and embark on this extraordinary journey with us. Please share my video and like this video. So guys, join me on this enchanting voyage into the world of Brazilian hairstyle, celebrating the rich tapestry of the diversity, history and creativity that defines the South American nations. Whether you seek glamorous curls, sleek sophistications or cultural inspiration, my video promises to leave you inspired and empowered to embrace your unique beauty, just like the captivating Brazilian hairstyles we are showcasing. So guys, beyond the styling techniques, I will also highlight the impact of environmental and ethical considerations in the hair care industry. In this video, you will showcase sustainable and eco-friendly hair products supporting the preservation of the Amazon infringement and vital part of the Brazilian ecosystems. So guys, in this video you can see all eye-catching and very impressive Brazilian hairstyle that you can pick and apply on your hairstyle. Moreover, my video will emphasize the importance of the embracing natural hair, fostering self-love and acceptance, witnesses the empowering the transformations on the embracing your curls as we provide the valuable tips and routines for maintaining and embracing one's natural hair texture. So guys, watch this video very carefully until end. You can keep and attain very important and very unique ideas about Brazilian hairstyles. As we continue our exploration, I will uncover the historical significance of the hair in Brazilian culture, where Afro-Brazilian hairdos have played a vital role in representing